A quick hands-on with the Huawei Matepad. This is Huawei's latest tablet and was just released today in China. It features the Kirin 990 chipset. That's the 4G version, not the 5G version. And of course, a new design element for a tablet, the hole punch display. As you can see, the tablet has a 10.8-inch LCD display. Huawei do say this is Quad HD, but the pixel resolution is going to be reduced a little bit just because of the size of the display. It is an LCD display, but it actually looks very good, very colorful and very bright, just like most LCDs do from Huawei. The Kirin 990 chipset is going to be powerful enough to do anything you want to do, even in this tablet. It's the latest processor from Huawei, bar the 5G version, but that does add a lot of cost and not many people want 5G right now anyway. There's a huge battery in this thing at 7,250 milliamp hours. That will keep you going forever. Very well put together and very light considering that it's a tablet. The camera on the back there is a 13 megapixel shooter, just one camera and you get the flash too. Huawei have included 15-watt wireless charging on this thing and also reverse charge at 7.5 watts too, so you can put your phone on the back of the tablet to charge it. There is no headphone jack on this device. Huawei expects you to be using Bluetooth earphones when you're using this thing, but you can still charge it by UFC if you want. The power button on the top left-hand side is perfectly clicky. One of the first things I definitely noticed about the entire device is the symmetrical bezels, which I'm a big fan of. Also because Huawei put the front camera, that's an 8 megapixel shooter, in the cutout, it means that they could reduce the bezel sizes as they didn't have to fit the camera inside the bezel. As you can see when I'm flicking through the settings screen, it really doesn't get in the way. When you're moving around the other screens, you can barely notice that it's even there. You can just see some ghosting in that top left-hand corner around the cutout. That is really telltale of an LCD display, but overall the display is good quality. Of course, Huawei do have a pencil for tablets called the M Pencil. As this is literally brand new and was released a few hours ago, that wasn't available, but Huawei do say that there are 150 different types of uses that the pencil supports. There is also an external case that you can fit onto the Matepad that will also act as a keyboard. So when it folds out, the keyboard will be available for you to use, and you can use the Matepad essentially as a big screen. Huawei also showed off just how easy it was to link up your Huawei devices with the Matepad, for example, your phone. You can use Huawei Share and you can also mirror some of the functions on your phone. For example, if you have a call incoming on your Huawei device, you can also see that on the Matepad. The operating system is EMUI 10, so you get all of the same features that you would on a phone. It comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage as standard. The Wi-Fi edition is $32.99 and the 4G LTE version is $37.99. Of course, no Google services on this product. So it will be released in China in the first week of December and in other markets. Still not sure of availability, but certainly a very good accompaniment to your other Huawei products if you've got them. Subscribe for all the latest tech news and hands-on videos. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.